A very good evening to all the second semester students of Department of Business Administration, DC College. Today I have circulated a notes in your WhatsApp group that is related to career planning and development, which is basically the next topic in your third unit, human resource management. And this video which I have uploaded in YouTube, I have also uploaded this video in your WhatsApp group. Here I have tried to discuss career planning in its full length. So when you prepare the notes related to career planning and development, please listen to the discussion also. If you completely avoid listening to the discussion, then you will not understand. So to facilitate your understanding, you should listen to the discussion. That will ensure that you have a long lasting memory. Anyways, coming to the discussion today. So when you come across this term career, it refers to the sequence of positions that an employee holds in the organization during a span of time. So if an employee does not leave the organization or he sticks with the same organization from the day of his appointment till the day of his retirement, then career will mean the different position that the employee holds in the organization throughout his job life. So when we go to the dictionary meaning of career, it refers to advancement in life or advancement in profession. But in common parlance, career may mean different things. It can mean advancement. For example, when we say that someone is moving up in his career, we generally mean that he is advancing in his profession or he is progressing in his profession. It can mean picking up a profession. For example, when we say that someone has pursued a career in medical, we generally mean that he has pursued medical as a profession. It can mean stability over a period of time, for example, academic career. But from the perspective of career planning and development, career means the work related experiences that span a person's job life in the organization. So, as it is expected that a person's work related experiences will make him move up the organizational hierarchy, therefore, career refers to the sequence of positions that an employee holds in the organization at different points of time in his job life. But you must keep in mind that career may mean advancement. That means sometimes it may happen that the employee may be demoted over a period of time. But generally, we understand that as someone gains experience, then he will move up the ladder, he will move up the levels in the organizational hierarchy. Anyways, we need to understand that career planning will take different concepts from an individual perspective and from the organizational perspective. Now, career planning from an individual perspective means setting goals for the future and identifying the paths by which the individuals will achieve the goals. That is, from an individual perspective, here we refer to career planning from an individual or from the employee perspective. From an organizational perspective, career planning basically refers or involves to identification of the employees and charting out his career paths and designing an organizational system of career involvement and growth opportunities for the employees from the day of his appointment till the day of his retirement. That means in case of from the perspective of the organization, career planning is something that is taken up by the organization for a particular employee, but it is not taken up by the employee himself, but it is being determined by the organization. Anyways, so this is basically referred to as career management from an organizational perspective. So, but we can basically align both the concept of career planning from an individual perspective and from the organizational perspective, and we basically can say that career planning refers to the steps undertaken by the organization as well as the employees to determine his career paths in the organization. So this is basically related to the first part, understanding what career planning is. Now we will go to the different stages of career in an employee's job life. So before that, you read the first two pages and you see whether there is any confusion.